Today, we will talk about the 5 most common front-end mistakes that many developers make. Mistake number 1. Using too many JavaScript libraries. Many developers overuse third-party libraries for simple tasks like animations, form validation, or date formatting. Use vanilla JavaScript when possible instead of extra dependencies. For example, instead of moment.js, use datefns or international datetime format. Use CSS animations instead of JavaScript-based ones where possible. Mistake number 2. Ignoring performance optimization for images. Use lazy loading and optimize images using modern formats like WebP instead of JPEG or PNG. Mistake number 3. Using pixels as size for everything. Use relative units %, rem, instead of fixed pixels. Mistake number 4. Poor accessibility. Developers often forget about keyboard navigation, screen readers, and contrast issues, making the site inaccessible to many users. Always add alt text to images. Use ARIA attributes where needed. Ensure proper color contrast. Use tools like WebIM to check. Enable keyboard navigation. Test your site using only a keyboard. Mistake number 5. Not handling errors properly. Use try-catch in JavaScript. Show user-friendly error messages. Validate user input before submitting forms.